In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hide apps on your iPhone. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by choosing an app that you want to remove from your home screen. I'm going to choose LinkedIn. So I'm going to hold LinkedIn and click on Remove App. It'll give you the option to either delete the app or simply remove it from your home screen. For example, if I remove it from my home screen, it goes away. But if you scroll all the way to the right, you will have your app library and you'll be able to find it here. Another way to remove apps from your home screen is to click on the search bar and hold it at the bottom. This will give you the option to do the same. Click on the minus for any app that you want to remove from your home screen, and you'll be given the same option to delete it or remove it from the home screen. The final way to remove apps from your home screen is to go onto your settings. From your settings, you're going to click on Screen Time and then Content and Privacy Restrictions. You can do Allowed Apps, which is going to be all of the Apple apps, and you can also do Content Restrictions. By doing Content Restrictions and clicking Apps, you'll be able to do 17 plus, and certain apps will not show up. You can also do 4 plus, and this will remove any apps that a 4-year-old should not be using. That is all for today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.